Hi everyone, this is Krishna, Math Science faculty. Last class we discussed trigonometric ratios and identities up to 17 problem completed. Today you have to explain question number 18 numbers. Then the first question, 18th question, log tan 1 degree plus log tan 2 degree plus log tan 3 degrees up to so on, log tan 89 degrees. First you have to see here Navigator's properties. Log A plus log B is equal to log AB. Say we have to apply this problem also. Logarithms log tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree into upon tan 89 degrees. Now first we have to find the tan 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree up to so on. See here tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree up to so on, tan 44 degree and tan 45 degree. Thereafter this 90 I will write tan 90 minus 1 and 88 is write as tan 90 minus 2 up to so on. Tan 46 degrees is write as this is 89 is write as here 45 next to 46 is write as tan 90 minus 44 is equal to 46. Now see here again it is rewrite tan 1 degree into tan 2 degrees into up to so on tan 44 degrees and tan 45 is equal to 1 and this is tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot theta is write as 1 by tan theta, tan 1 degrees and this is also tan 90 minus 2 is cot 2 degrees. Cot 2 degrees again it is right as 1 by tan 2 degrees up to so on. This is also right as 1 by tan 44 degrees. Now see here numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator cancel. Its value is 1. Now you can substitute this value here. Logarithm of 1 is equal to 0. Then this is the first option. Note. Okay, next one 90 summation of 1 to 3 cos square 2k minus 1 into pi by 12. See here when k is equal to 1 means 2 into k 2 minus 1 into pi by 12 cos square pi by 12. Pi by 12 means 100 degrees 15 degrees plus cos square here 2 means k is equal to this 2 into 4 minus 1 3 then 3 pi by 12 plus cos square when k is equal to 3 means 3 into 6 minus 1 5 pi by 12. See here pi means 180 degrees by 1 means 12 ones are 12, 12 5s are 60. Then this is 50 degrees. Now you can write this is cos square 50 degrees plus cos square 15 into 3 45 degrees plus cos square 15 into 5 75 degrees. We know that one property cos square x plus cos square when x plus y is equal to 90 degrees then cos square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Okay, or sin square x plus sin square y also 1. Now sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degrees then this value is 1 plus cos square 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 here scalar here then 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2. My answer is fourth option. Note down. Okay, next 28th question. If summation of 1 I is equal to 1 to n sin theta I is equal to n, then find the value of cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 plus up to so on cos theta n. Now see here summation of I is equal to 1 to n is equal to sin theta I. Here sin theta I you can write here I is equal to 1 means sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 plus up to so on sin theta n is equal to its value 7. When it is possible means here where theta 1 is equal to theta 2 is equal to theta 3 is equal to up to so on theta n is equal to 90 degrees only possible. You can substitute here 90 degrees means here sin 90 plus sin 90 plus sin 90 plus up to so on how many times here n times sin 90 n times. Then here sin 90 is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to 1 n times. n times means it is equal to n. Now same 90 degrees you have to substitute here. Cos 90 0, cos 90 0 up to n times also its value is 0. Therefore cos theta is the cos 90 plus up to so cos 90. This is n times also 0 plus up to so 0 n times its value is 0. First option, note. Okay, next 21st problem. 3 into sin power 3 pi by 2 minus alpha plus sin power 4 3 pi minus alpha minus 2 times sin power 6 into pi by 2 plus alpha plus sin power 6 5 pi minus alpha. It is also very easy. First you have to recall the all silver teacup. Then which quadrant this is? Very simple. See here, all silver teacups. See here, sin power 4. Here even number means even negative also. This is positive. 3 pi by 2 means pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2. This is third quadrant. Third quadrant sin. This is a number of items is odd. That's why here sin opposite is cos power 4 alpha. Here actually this is negative in third quadrant sign, but here power is even number. That's why this is positive. Next sin power 4. Here 3 pi. 3 pi means how many items? This is pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. Okay. That's why this is also positive sign only. Sin power 4 alpha minus 2 times. This is sin power 6. Pi by 2, only one right angle. One right angle means it's opposite triangle raised to have right here. Here sin instead of cos alpha. Next here sin power 6. Pi means here pi 180 degrees. Number of right angles is even. That's why sin plus sin power 6 alpha. Now simplify this one. Already I gave one formula. Sin power 4 alpha plus cos power 4 alpha, its value is 1 minus 2 sin square alpha cos square alpha. Then 3 into 1 minus 2 sin power sin square alpha cos square alpha. Next 3, this is 2 into, then this formula also I gave 1 minus 3 sin square alpha cos square alpha. 1 minus 3 sin square alpha cos square alpha. If you don't know means this one is right as sin square alpha whole cube, cos square alpha whole cube. Then a cube plus b cube formula you can expect this, you will get the answer. Now see here 3 into 1 3 minus 6 sin square alpha cos square alpha. 2 into 1 minus 2 minus is minus plus 6 sin square alpha cos square alpha. Now this is plus 6 times minus 6 times both are cancelled. Then 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. My answer is third option 1. No doubt. Okay, next 22nd question. If sin theta plus cosecant theta is equal to 2, then the value of sin for n theta plus cos for n theta value. See as simple, sin theta plus cosecant theta is equal to 2. Now squaring on both sides. Now this is sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to square is 4. Now this is cancelled. You can write here cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. Numerator denominator both are cancelled. This 2 side that side again sin square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now here squaring on both sides. Here power 2 means here also 2. Again you can squaring on both sides. Its value also 2. That's why here sin power n times also sin power n square cos for n theta is equal to 2. Then this is also 2. Again you have to square in both sides, you will get the 2 only. Note down. Okay, next 23rd problem. If k is equal to 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin b into 1 plus sin c is equal to 1 minus sin a into 1 minus sin b into 1 minus sin c. Then the value of k is equal to plus or minus sin a sin b sin c. And second option plus or minus sin a cos b cos sin c. And third option plus or minus cos a sin b cos c. And fourth option plus or minus cos a cos b cos c. Now see here which option is correct. So here let 1 plus sin A, and see here this is you can take x and this is you can take total y. Now here k is equal to x is equal to y. Now I take this is x is equal to y. Now I will multiply either side with the kx. X is x, x square is equal to xy. Now xy means here 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin B into 1 plus sin C into 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin B into 1 minus sin C. Now see here this is A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. 1 minus sin square A and 1 minus sin square B into 1 minus sin square C. Now this is write as cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. That's why cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. This is cos square B and this is cos square C. This is x square. Now x is equal to what? Plus or minus cos A, cos B, cos C. Now x means what? K. K is equal to x is equal to y. That's why my option is fourth one. Same this line, one more problem you can check at home. Here k is equal to 1 minus secant, here not 1 minus, here secant A minus tan A into secant B minus tan B into secant C minus tan C is equal to k is equal to secant A plus tan A into secant B plus tan B into secant C minus tan C. This problem you have to try at home. How to do this? This is x, this is y. X is equal to y. Thereafter you have to multiply with x or y. Then here x square is equal to xy. Xy means here secant A minus tan A into secant A plus tan A. That means here secant square A minus tan square A. I and k. Then 1 into 1 into 1. K square is equal to 1. X square is equal to 1. Then x is equal to plus or minus 1. Then k is equal to plus or minus 1. You can try at home. Next 24th problem. If alpha and beta be the roots of an equation a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c, then find the value of cos alpha plus cos beta. See here, this is one equation as given, linear equation in terms of trigonometric ratios. Then we have to find the sum of the roots. Now see here, a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c as given. We have to find the equation in terms of cos only. Why? Because here sum of the two roots in terms of cos as given. That's why here b sin theta leave here. Then this side cos theta side that side. Then here alpha and beta is given. Okay, right here. Then c minus a cos theta. A cos theta. Now scaling on both sides. Scaling on s over ds. Scaling on both sides. Now b square sin square theta is equal to, this is c square plus a square cos square theta minus 2ab, 2 into ac cos theta. Here b square, here this is psi, this psi theta can be written as in terms of cos. Then you can write here 1 minus cos square theta is equal to c square plus a square cos square theta minus 2ac cos theta. Now this terms also send that side. Now here this is b square and b square and b square cos square theta is equal to, as you can write here, a square cos square theta minus 2ac cos theta. Now this terms also send that side means you can take here cos square theta common. Then here a square, this minus b square send that side means plus b square. Now minus 2ac cos theta plus this is c square minus this is b square, so that's a b square is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now sum of the roots alpha plus beta, then cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to minus b by a. We know that this one. Then here what is the value of b? Here minus of minus 2ac by a square plus b square. Therefore minus 3 minus plus 2ac by a square plus b square. Which option? This is the first option. Note. Next one, 25th one, if tan square theta is equal to 1 minus e square, then secant theta plus tan cube theta into cosecant theta. Here we have to eliminate the theta value. How it is? See here, secant theta plus tan cube theta into cosecant theta. Now you can write here secant theta is write as 1 by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. This one is write as sin cube theta by cos cube theta into 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta, 1 sin theta cancel. Thereafter 1 by cos theta plus sin square theta by cos cube theta. Now you can take here LCM cos cube theta. Here one cos theta cancel this, remaining cos square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 by cos cube theta is equal to secant cube theta. Now you can take this one, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Then secant square theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta. Then 1 minus, what's the tan theta here? 1 minus e square. 1 minus e square. Now you can multiply 1 minus here. Sorry, this is plus 1 plus 1, 2 minus e square. Now secant theta is equal to 2 minus e square whole power 1 by 2 or under root 2 minus e square. Here secant cube theta instead of you can substitute here 2 minus e square whole power 1 by 2 whole power 3. Then you can write here 2 minus e square whole power a power whole power 3 by 2. Then which option? This is first option. No. Next 26th question, if 1 minus cos alpha into 1 minus cos beta into 1 minus cos gamma is equal to sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma is not equal to 0, then 1 plus cos alpha, 1 plus cos beta into 1 plus cos gamma value. This is also very easy problem. See here, 1 minus cos alpha into 1 minus cos beta into 1 minus cos gamma is equal to sin alpha, sin beta and sin gamma. We have to multiply either side 1 plus cos alpha into 1 plus cos beta into 1 plus cos gamma. Then see here 1 minus cos alpha into 1 minus cos beta into 1 minus cos gamma. Now we have to multiply 1 plus cos alpha into 1 plus cos beta into 1 plus cos gamma is equal to right side. Yes, sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma into 1 plus cos alpha into 1 plus cos beta into 1 plus cos gamma. 1 plus cos alpha into 1 plus cos beta into 1 plus cos gamma. Now see here, this is a minus b into a plus b square, a square minus b square. Same we can write here 1 minus cos square alpha into 1 minus cos square beta into 1 minus cos square gamma is equal to sin alpha, sin beta and sin gamma into 1 plus cos alpha into 1 plus cos beta into 1 plus cos gamma. Now see here, this is written as sin square alpha. Why? Because this is a highlighting. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. That's why 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square into sin square beta into sin square gamma is equal to sin alpha into sin beta into sin gamma into 1 plus cos alpha into 1 plus cos beta into 1 plus cos gamma. Now see here, either side this is sin alpha, 1 sin alpha cancel, sin beta, 1 sin beta cancel, sin gamma, 1 sin gamma cancel. Now required result is like 1 plus cos alpha into 1 plus cos beta into 1 plus cos gamma is equal to here left side remaining term sin alpha, sin beta into sin gamma. Which option? Check here, option 2. Note. Okay, next 27th question. If a1 cos theta plus b1 sin theta plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2 cos theta plus b2 sin theta plus c2 is equal to 0. Here are two equations as given. Then b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square value. See here, two equations. First you have to solve the two equations. Here first you can write b1 c1 a1 b1, b2 c2 a2 b2. Now cos theta is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to sin theta is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1. 1 is equal to here a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now you have to find the sin theta and cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, this is you can take here first one and last one. Here b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Next sin theta is equal to, this is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now we have to find your identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now you can substitute these values, two values here, sin is here c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square. Plus here also cos theta means here b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square is to 1. Now you can take LCM and cross multiply. Then here first one is here b1 c2. Sorry, this is okay, just a minute. Okay, now we can write here. Here c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square plus b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square. Cross multiply this LCM you can take here cross multiply. Here a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square. Now see here this is c1 a2 c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square plus here b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square is equal to here a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the first option. Note. Okay, next 28 problem. If m is equal to sin theta plus cos theta and n is equal to secant theta plus cosecant theta, then here in these four options, first we have to find the m square only. Everything as m square as given. That's why m square is equal to here sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. This is identity. Then m square is equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta and cos theta. Now we can find here this is m is equal to secant theta is write as 1 by cos theta and cosecant theta is write as 1 by sin theta. Take LCM here, sin theta into cos theta. Now this is sin theta plus cos theta is equal to m. Now sin theta plus cos theta means what? Sin theta plus cos theta means m. Here m is equal to m by, you can find this is also from this equation sin theta into cos theta is equal to this one side that side m square minus 1 by 2. This one is also here. Then m square minus 1 by 2. Now it is rewrite as m is equal to 2m by m square minus 1. M square minus 1. What value you have to find here? We can eliminate the theta value. Then cross multiply. Here 2m is equal to n into m square minus 1. This is the answer. Where it is here 2m is equal to n into m square minus 1. Second option. Note. Okay, now 29th question. This question you have to try at home. How to do I will explain. See here. Cos square theta by a is equal to sin square theta by b. Then find the value of cos per 4 theta by a plus sin per 4 theta by b. How to find this? First you can find either sin or cos theta. Thereafter you can utilize the identity of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then you find the one more trigonometric ratio. Then the two ratios you have to substitute here. Then you will get the answer. How this means? See here. First we can write here 1 cos square theta instead of 1 minus sin square theta, or sin square theta instead of you can write 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta by A is equal to sin square theta by B. Now you can write here cos multiply here 1 minus sin square theta by sin square theta is equal to A by B. Now this is write as R, not this way, or otherwise see here this is A. Now you can write here 1 by A sin square theta is equal to sin square theta by B. Now this is also standard side. Then take here sin theta common. Sin square theta is equal to 1 plus A by 1 plus B. Now sin square theta is equal to you can take here LCM. Almost you can write here sin square theta into this is A plus B by AB. Now sin square theta is equal to here this is A cancel, then B by A plus B. Now this is sin square value, sin square theta value. Then how to find the cos square value? See here cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Then you can find sin square. Thereafter sin square and cos square theta substitute here. This one is write as cos square whole square theta. This one is write as sin square whole square theta. Then you can substitute these values B by A plus B, and this is some value it will come. Then you can try at home. Next 30th question. If n sin square theta plus n square cos square theta is equal to n cos square pi plus n square sin square pi is equal to 1, then and tan theta is equal to n tan pi, then find the value of n. See here n sin square theta is equal to sin square theta plus n square cos square theta is equal to 1. Then see here if n is equal to 1 means here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That's why here n is equal to 1. Same value n equals up to here also. N is equal to 1 means cos square phi plus sin square phi is equal to 1. Then here tan theta is equal to here 1 means here this is 1 into tan phi. When it is possible, theta is equal to 45 degrees is possible. That's why here n is equal to almost 1. Note down. Next 31st problem. If x is equal to pi plus 2 root 6 and tan theta is equal to 1 by 2 into root x plus 1 by root x, then secant square theta plus sin square theta is equal to. First we have to find the root x and 1 by root x. See here x is equal to pi plus 2 root 6 as well. Now we can write here x is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 2 you can write here. This is write as root 3 into root 2. Now this is write as under root x is equal to under root over this is write as root 3 whole square plus root 2 whole square. Square root cancel 3, then 2 plus 2 into root 3 into root 2. Now see here this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, then root 3 plus root 2 whole square under root. Square root cancel, then root 3 plus root 3. This is root x. Now 1 by root x is equal to 1 by root 3 plus root 2. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means first you have to write its conjugate and multiply both numerator and denominator. Root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. Now 1 into root 3 minus root 2 is equal to root 3 minus root 2. Now this is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Then 3 square, root 3 square, 3, root 2 square, 2, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now you can substitute here. Here tan theta is equal to 1 by 2 into what the value of root x is equal to root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 by root x is equal to root 3 minus root 2. Now this is root 2 cancel. Then this is root 3. 2 root 3 by 2 cancel is equal to root 3. Then tan is equal to root 3 means what the value of theta is equal to 60 degrees. Now this 60 degrees substitute here. Then secant square 60 degrees plus sin square 60 degrees. What the value of secant 60 degrees? Here this is 2 square plus this is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole square. Now this is 2 square, 4 plus this is 3 by this is 4. 4 4 the 16, 16 plus 3, 19 by 4. Which option? This is the first option. Note down. Next, the 32nd problem. If a sin cube x plus b cos cube x is equal to sin x into cos x and a sin x is equal to b cos x, then a square plus b square value. See here, a sin cube x plus b cos cube x is equal to sin x into cos x. Here a is just how divided by sin x into cos x. Then a sin square x by cos x plus b cos square x by sin x is equal to 1. But because here one sin x cancel, here cos x cancel. Now this is like as a sin x into sin x by cos x plus b cos x into cos x by sin x is equal to 1. Now see here a sin x is equal to b cos x. Then here write as b cos x into sin x by cos x. And here b cos x, instead of you can write a sin x plus a sin x into cos x by sin x is equal to 1. The sin x cancel, cos x cancel. Now b sin x plus a cos x is equal to 1. Now here SOBS, scaling of both. Scaling of both sides here. This is b square sin square x plus a square cos square x plus 2ab into sin x into cos x is equal to 1. Now b square sin square x plus a square cos square x plus, this is 2 times, you can write as a sin x into b cos x plus a sin x into b cos x is equal to 1. See here a sin x b cos x, ab sin x cos x, ab sin x cos x, 2 times as given. Now same write as this, b square sin square x plus a square cos square x plus, here a sin x instead of you can write here b cos x. Then b cos x into b cos x is equal to b square cos square x, and here b cos x instead of you can write a sin x, then a square sin square x is equal to 1. Now here sin square x, in these 2 terms you can take common this here, sin square x common a square plus b square. In these 2 terms cos square you can take common is here a square plus b square is equal to 1. Now the whole term a square plus b square you can take common means here sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. This is 1, that's why a square plus b square is equal to 1. This is the third option. Note down. Okay, next 33rd question. If x is equal to y cos 2 pi by 3 plus z is equal to cos 4 pi by 3, then xy plus yz plus zx. See here, first x is equal to y into cos 2 pi by 3 is equal to z into cos 4 pi by 3 as given. Now x is equal to y into cos 2 pi by 3 means 60 into 2, 120 degrees. 120 is minus 90 plus 30 is equal to z into cos. This is 60 into 4, 240. 240 is right as cos 270 minus 30. Now x is equal to y into cos 90 plus 30 means minus sin 30. Then here 270 minus 10 is third quadrant. Third quadrant means number of right angles is odd. That's why minus z sin 30 degrees. Here x is equal to minus y sin 30 1 by 2 and minus z by sin 30 1 by 2. Now here x is equal to minus y by 2 and 2x is equal to minus y, and here minus y by 2 is equal to minus z by 2. Then y is equal to z. Now we have to take this equation xy plus yz plus zx is equal to, here x into y is what? Minus 2x plus y is minus 2x into z also same, z also minus 2x plus minus 2x into x. Here this is minus 2x square 2 into 2 4x square minus 2x square. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 plus 4 cancel. This is equal to 0. This is the first option. Note it. Okay, next 34th question. If A, B, C are positive acute angles and sin B plus C minus A is equal to cos C plus A minus B is equal to tan A plus B minus C is equal to 1. Then A, B, C are, see here sin B plus C minus A is equal to 1. Then sin how many degrees? 90 degrees. Then B plus C minus A is equal to 90 degrees. This is 1. Now you can take here cos C plus A minus B. Cos C plus A minus B is equal to 1 means here this is cos C plus A minus B is equal to, this is 0 degrees. Cos 0 is equal to 1. This is 2. Now third one is tan A plus B minus C is equal to 1. Then here tan how many degrees? 45 degrees. Then A plus B minus C is equal to 45 degrees. Here already they mentioned acute angles. A, B, C are acute angles means you can take acute angles. Now this is 3. Now equation 1 minus equation 2 you can do it. Here this is B plus C minus A is equal to 90 degrees. Then here minus B plus C plus A is equal to 0 degrees. Now this one you can subtract or add. This is you can add here. Add. This is or subtract. C. This is second one is C plus A. C plus A minus B. Then here you can add this here. B cancel. This is cancel. Then 2C is equal to 90 degrees. C is equal to 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Now 1 and 3 you can add here. 1 and 3. Equation 1 plus 3 you can add here. 1 is equal to B plus C minus A is equal to 90 degrees. And C is equal to B plus B minus C plus A is equal to 45 degrees. Here this is C cancel. A cancel. 2B is equal to 135 degrees. Then B is equal to 67 degrees. 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14 and half degrees B. Now A plus B plus is equal to 180 degrees in a triangle. Then sum of these two angles minus 180 degrees, or otherwise these two values you have to substitute any one equation. Here B plus C is equal to B plus C minus A is equal to 90 degrees. Then B is equal to 67 and a half plus C is equal to 45 degrees. 45 minus A is equal to 90. Then A is equal to 67 and a half plus 45 minus 90. Then this is all minus 45. Then here minus 45 means this is half 22 and a half degrees. Now ABC is equal to 22 and a half and B is equal to 67 and a half and C is equal to 45 degrees. This is the third option. Fourth option. Okay, next 35th question. If K is a positive integer, then sin alpha plus pi plus sin alpha plus 2 pi plus sin alpha plus 3 pi plus up to so on sin alpha plus 2k5. 2k5. Here K is a positive integer. That means it is a natural number. You can take. Okay, right here. Sin alpha plus pi. I will write this is pi plus alpha plus sin pi 2 pi plus alpha plus up to so on sin 2k pi plus alpha. Now see here sin pi plus alpha means which quadrant? This is third quadrant. Third quadrant means here number of radicals is even. That's why this is third quadrant minus sin alpha. Then here 2 pi plus alpha. 2 pi plus alpha means this is first quadrant. Then this is sin alpha. Again here you can write here sin 3 pi plus alpha. 3 pi means this is again this is a third quadrant. Then you can write here minus sin alpha. Next one is plus sin alpha. Up Suppose one this is even number space here. The last one is plus or minus minus sine alpha. Here one plus, one minus, one plus, one minus. Before plus and this minus also cancel. Then this value is equal to 0. Okay, next 36th problem. If sin A, cos A and tan A are in GP, then the value of cot power 6A minus cot square A. See here, these three terms T1, T2, T3 are GP means here common ratios are equal. Then T2 by T1 means cos A by sin A is equal to tan A by cos A. Now cross multiply. Cos A into cos A, cos A, yes, sin A into, this is right as sin A by cos A. Now this is sin square A by cos A, cross multiply, cos square A into cos A, cos cube is equal to sin square A. Now you can take the given cot power 6A minus cot square A. Now this is right as sin cos power 6A by sin for 6A minus here cos square A by sin square A. This is rewrite as cos cube A whole square you can write by sin for 6A minus cos square A by sin square A. So here cos cube A means what? Here sin square A. Substitute here. Sin square A into whole square means here sin for 4A. Whole square A can write here one more step. 6A minus cos square A by sin square A. Here sin for 4A, here sin for 6A. Cancel here denominator is sin square A again 1 by 1 minus cos square A. Thereafter you can take the LCM by sin square A. Yes sir. Here sin for 4A, here sin for 4A cancel. Remember here sin square A is there. Thereafter you have to take LCM means sin square A is common. Then here 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A means again it is written as sin square A by sin square A. Both cancel means its value is 1. This is second option. Note down. Okay, 37th question, next one. If 1 plus sin theta plus sin square theta plus suppose 1 infinite is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3 and theta is lies between 0 and pi, that means it is also in first and second quadrant and theta is not equal to pi by 2, then the value of theta. See here 1 plus sin theta plus sin square theta. This is in infinite GP. Then 1 plus sin theta plus sin square theta plus suppose 1 is or in GP up to infinite terms as given. Here common ratio also same here. T2 by T1 means sin theta. Here T3 by T2 also sin theta. Common ratio equal. That's why S infinite formula A by 1 minus R. This is the geometric progression. Infinite geometric progression. Sum of the infinite terms is equal to A by 1 minus R. A means first term. R is common ratio. Now this value is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3. Now you can write here A means what? 1 by 1 minus sin theta is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3. Then we can write here 1 minus sin theta reciprocally you can write means here this is 4 plus 2 root 3. Now rationalize the denominator 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4 minus 2 root 3. Then again you have to write here 4 minus 2 root 3 by this is A plus B A minus B. A square 16. Then this is 2 square 4 into 3 12. Then here you can take 2 common, 2 minus 2 3 by 16 minus 12 is equal to 4 to 1 sir, to 2 sir. Now sin theta is equal to 1 minus 2 minus root 3 by 2. Then take LCM 2 minus 2 plus root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. Then sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. But theta is lies between 0 and pi. Pi means this is theta is equal to pi by 3. Pi by 3 means already 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Then in second quadrant also, you can take here sin 90 plus 90 plus 60 is equal to 90 plus 60 means this is also cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to examine compared here 30 compared here. 30 means here sin 90 plus 30. This is cos 30. Cos 30 also. Okay, that is also 3 by 2. Now this is pi by 2 plus pi by 6. 2 pi by 2 pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus duster. Now this is sin pi by 2 plus this is pi by 6. Sin this is 6. 3 plus 2 3s are plus 5. Here sin 4 pi by, that means here it is 4 pi by 6 and 2 2s are 2 3s are. This is equal to 2 pi by 3 also. Same root 3 by 2. Then our answer is 4 pi. Okay, thank you children watching my videos. Next class we have to discuss compound angles. This is a trigonometry, identities, ratios, total completed. You have to practice more problems. Okay, thank you.